Before we go, we're sharing a quick and effective way to get in your daily cardio. Joining us now is Isaac Boots, trainer to the stars and creator of Torched. It's a workout that combines body resistance, dance cardio, and targeted repetition. Now, Isaac is going to walk me through a mini torched workout. You ready for this?
I'm ready, baby.
You've been teaching the audience. Teach me.
Yes, okay, so you're going to go side to side for a second, right? Just to get the heart rate up, right? You can start using your arms.
Now, I've got these 100-pound weights on my arms.
Exactly. The idea is that the weights are on your larger muscle group, so you actually end up burning more. Yes, arms up. Here we go, lift. Very good. Now you're gonna inhale all the way up, all the way up. You're gonna go into a plie, okay? Arms forward, reach out strong as you can. Lower down, go squeeze your butt, yes. Now you're gonna lower all the way down, get as low as you can, all right? I want you to circle your arms back. Yes, exactly, beautiful. Reverse it. We're gonna go into a plank now. So reach forward, jump into a plank, shoulders over your wrist. Now, you're gonna go here, shoulder, beautiful. 2 more, hold your plank, take a deep breath in. 4 push-ups, slow, okay? 4.
1.
Yes. 2.
2.
Very good.
3.
Hey.
4.
Downward dog. Get long. You want to lengthen. Back to plank. Right knee, left elbow. Exhale. In. Yes. 2 more. Beautiful. Now quick. Go. Double time. Yes. Belly tight. Keep your core.
I like this.
Yes, baby. Downward dog. Relax your neck. You're going to jump forward. Roll it all the way up. Repeat it from the top. Okay? So it's over and over. Yes. Very good. Arms up. Beautiful. Yes. Very good. Plie for me. Down. Reach. Yes. Arms long. Hold it there. Get as low as you can. Circle back. Yes. Belly tight.
I can actually learn this.
Reverse it. Very good. Inhale up. Find your plank. Dream back.
The push-ups.
Exactly.
I'm doing these.
Yeah.
I'm taking it up a level.
Yes, baby. Let's go.
Oh,
hey.
dude.
Torch,
Everybody,
baby.
make sure to check out Isaac on Instagram.
Yes.
At Isaac Boots.
Woo.
And he's got on his tubes, of course. Oh, check everything he's doing out there, guys.
You're
Unbelievable.
strong, baby.
And don't forget his page, No Kids Hungry, where he's ready. Oh, my goodness, I'm getting tired. He's already raised over $1 million.
Yes.
Make sure all these kids are fed at the time of crisis.
Hold it, yeah.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.